Okay, good, ma'am. So till now, all of you, we have done with this segment group creations and all, and also give me 1 second. Hmm. So the next one is in the payment details, we will going to create the elements. Okay, this is the subnode, right? So for that subnode also we need to have the payment details. Okay, so in for the particular subnodes, that is payment details, we need to have the elements. Okay, okay, right, ma'am. Right click on this payment details and just create the elements, create element, and this is sequence number. Just give the sequence number. Just give the sequence number, and the short description is also sequence number. Okay, see, sequence is nothing but the this one, all of you, 0001, 0005. Okay, like this, and the length will be 5, and mapping structure will be structure field. Mapping procedure will be structure field, and go to this. Length is 5. Length is 5. Ah, go to the source, and structure is FPAYH. Okay, and the field name is LFDNR. Okay, see, all of you, if you get any doubts, ma'am, here under this thing, source fields, things and all, go to that thing, ma'am. No issue. But if you get any doubts and all, go here. There is a source field for application. Okay, under the field names. Okay, we do have source fields for application. Can you open this thing, ma'am? Come down. Source field for application. Open this thing, ma'am. See, whatever the information that you need, okay, go to that information, you will going to find out. Okay, so open this information, ma'am. See, to able to see all these things for the technical names and things and all, see, LAUFD is nothing but the date. So that is having some data types. See, this is the way you can able to see it, each and everything. But see, all these things are not at all important for us, but you should know some of the technical names of the fields. Why? Because every time you use those fields, right? Come back, ma'am. Come back. Now, here, field name is LFDNR. Okay, so that is very, very important thing right now we have. The next one is in the comment tab. In the comment tab, you can just give ma'am a sequence number for data medium exchange. Sequence number for data medium exchange. Okay, so that is very, very important. Click on the enter and go to the sequence number. Right click on the sequence number and create on the element. Create element. So the next one is house bank. Okay, name is house bank. Name is house bank. And short description is also house bank. Short description is also house bank. And what is the length for this house banks in all? Now, can you give 15, ma'am? House bank is 15, right? Yes, 15, 12 to 15 members. So the next one is mapping procedure is structural field. Mapping procedure is a structural field. And this bank is for the FPAYHX. FPAYHX is the structure field for the house bank. And what is the field name? I think so. UBN UBNKY. 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 Go to the comment tab. In the comment tab, you can just give house bank for data medium exchange. Okay, click on the enter. Right click on this house bank. You can just go to the create element. Create element. So remove this thing, new thing, and just give pay bank account. Just give pay bank account. Short description is pay bank account. And what is the length? And for 18 is the length. And mapping structure procedure is a structure field. Length is 18. Mapping procedure structure field. Go to the source field, ma'am, and structure is FPAYHX. Structure is FPAYHX. And field name is UBKNT. Field name is UBKNT. UBKNT. And I have written all these fields in the particular Excel sheet. Okay, if you are getting some doubts, go back to that Excel sheet. Okay, comment tab is PE bank account. The next one is payer IFSC code. Right click on this PE bank and go to the create new element. Create new element. And name is payer IFSC code. Payer IFSC code. And short description is payer IFSC code. And the length is 11. Length is 11. And mapping procedure is structure field. See all of you. Why I am saying all these things? Okay. If you have the requirements of pay bank account, payer IFSC codes, see some of the companies, they will going to have payment details like a sequence number, house bank only. Okay, and also total items and amounts. That is the important thing. Okay, but I'm creating new things. Okay, I'm giving you the new suggestions. Okay, if the client requires something, okay, we should fulfill it, right? So payer IFSC code. Structure field, and structure is FPAYHX, same thing, and field name is USWIF. 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 Okay, go to the comment box and try to create the payer IFSC code for data medium exchange. Click on the enter and right click on the vendor name. Okay, so can you give the vendor name? And short description is vendor name. And length is 40. Okay, vendor name should be in a 40 size modes, right? 40. And structure field and go to the source tab. In the source tab, structure field is a FPAYH and the field name is FPAYH and field name is ZNME1. 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 Good. Go to the comment tab, ma'am. Go to the comment tab and just give the vendor name for data medium exchange. Vendor name for data medium exchange. Then next one, create element, ma'am. Vendor bank account. Vendor bank account. And short description is a vendor bank account. Everything is same, all of you. See, but the thing is that you should change the length based on your client requirements and all. Okay. And what is the length? Can you take out the length? Same length, 15. Structure field. And source tab. Structure is FPAYH. 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 And what is the field name for the vendor bank account? ZB. ZBNKL. ZBNKL. Comment back is vendor bank account for data medium exchange. The next one is create element. In that vendor IFSC code also there. Okay, short description is vendor IFSC code, length is 11, and the mapping processor is a structure field. Okay, so see why I am taking the mapping processor is a structure. Why? Because after the date it should come, and after the IFSC code it should come. Okay, I mean bank account should come, and after the bank account, see vendor should come. So like this, I'm taking the structure field. Okay, in interview point of view also they will going to ask you one thing. Give the vendor IFSC code is 11, ma'am. Length is 11, structure field, and go to the source. Go to the source, and structure is FPAYH, and the field name is ZSWIF. ZSWIF. And comment tab is ZSIWF. Good. See, if you miss the field name, definitely it will throw you an error. No issue. We will come back to this particular element and we will change the source structure fields and on. Okay. So then next to create element, ma'am. Currency also. Currency is very, very important, right? In which currency you are making the payments to the particular vendor? Okay, length is 15. Currency and length is 15 and structure field. And the next one is the source tab. Then structure is FPAYH. Field name is WAERS. WAERS. Okay, go to the comment tab and currency for data medium exchange. And then next one is create new element, ma'am, once again, and we need to have the amount. Okay, so for this thing, we need to have conversion functions, all of you. Okay, which is very, very important for the amount. Okay, conversion function is very, very important, and the length is 15, ma'am, and conversion function. Okay, go to the conversion functions, ma'am. No need to have. This is character only. Conversion function is go to the drop down option. We will going to have conversion function, all of you. See, conversion function is nothing but the when you are making the payments to the particular vendor in USD, and based on that thing only, it will be converted that USD amount to your local currency amount. Okay, so take out AL2, ma'am. Okay, so that is very, very important, and there is no any status for this thing. Okay, no issue. And take out the structure field. Take out the structure field and go to the source tab. Okay, structure is FPAYH and field name is RWBTR. RWB, B for ball, T for toy, R for race. Okay, good. And go to the comment tab, ma'am, and try to give this thing an amount for data medium exchange. And go to this attribute, ma'am. Now you can change the character. Okay. Now you can change this character. Okay, that is currency amount. no. Source field FPAYH doesn't exist. Where IFSC code? Double click on this thing, ma'am. FPA YH. Yes. Click on the enter. Now check it. Where IFSC code FPA Y USW. Why this one is not existed? Go to this thing, ma'am. USWIF. FPAYHX. Go to the check option. Okay, good. There is no errors. And come back to this amount, ma'am. Activate it. It is taking too much of time, huh? Again, go to the change option, ma'am. Again, go to the change option. Double click on this amount, ma'am. Here, change the character type, ma'am. Change the character type to currency amount. And we should change the character type, right? And go to the save button and save it. Ma'am, in the payment details, double click on this payment details, ma'am. Double click on this payment details. No. Go up. Node, subnode, payment details. Subnode, payment details. And level, give the level 2, ma'am. I think so. Level 1 is header level. Level 2 is this one, right? Go to the save button and save it, ma'am. See if it is throwing any error, all of you, just observe the point where this one is throwing the error. Okay.